Constantly switching from Google Calendar and Notion is kind of annoying. The good news is you can add your Google Calendar to Notion so you can see both in the same place. Hi, I'm Irene Chan. In today's video, we'll cover how to connect your Google Calendar with Notion, how to embed your Google Calendar in Notion, and keep your meeting notes in Notion. Let's get started. First, sign up or sign in with your Google account. Next, to share a Google Calendar link in Notion, open your Google Calendar. Select the calendar you want to share and click on Settings and Sharing. Then make your calendar public. Get the shareable link and paste it into a Notion page. Now, if you want to embed your Google Calendar, simply copy the public URL of your calendar and paste it in a Notion page. Choose Create Embed from the pop-up menu, and your Google Calendar will appear directly on your Notion page. Now that we've put Google Calendar on Notion, it's time to consider the next steps, keeping all of your meeting notes on Notion. To do that, first install Tactiq as a Chrome extension. Connect Google Meet under Integrations. You can also connect Teams or Zoom. The link to the extension is in the description below the video. Join your meeting as usual. The Tactiq window will appear on the right side where you'll see the real-time transcription. After the meeting, you'll get an email with the link to the transcript. Once you're on the transcript page, you can see the full transcript and also use AI to generate summaries. Next, we're going to put this transcript in Notion. Click the share icon, connect your Notion account, select a parent page, and that's it. Your transcript is now on Notion. You can paste the link copied to the clipboard to go directly to the Notion page of your call transcript. Or search for a transcript on Notion. It's there anytime you need it. Plus, you can use Tactiq for keeping all of your meeting notes on Notion. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please like and subscribe. Leave your comments and questions below, and I'll see you in the next video.